Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice. Avatar 12s. Okay.
I know a big problem I got is I gotta build my box. Cut my cutouts a little too big. So I'm leaking air.
You could get another strip of wood right here.
Yeah, I thought about that.
And then just do 2 cutouts right there. That way you don't have to change boxes. As an option. Where's your port? Okay, down here. Got it. Okay.
Long too.
Yeah. Did you add a piece of wood to shrink it a little?
Yeah.
To play lower?
Yeah, lower, yeah. It was too way too high.
Yeah.
It was the regular port came to about right here.
Okay.
I took it all the way down. So I cut the box size out a little bit.
Okay. Got it.
I got 2 AGMs.
Yep.
One there and there's one in the back. Then I got the Wolfram.
Alright. Let's go look. So you said you watched my videos a good bit, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know
All of them.
Really? Wow, I appreciate you watching. So what's your name and what's in here real quick, man?
2 Avatar 12, a Wolfram 4500, 2 AGMs, that's it. No big 3, no none of that.
Okay, just an extra battery?
Yeah, just 2.
Alright, and what's your amp wire too?
Half on.
Half on, okay. Is that battery too?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. And you built the box?
Yeah, built myself.
Alright. What's your tuning or bandwidth?
No idea.
No idea?
I know I like to play lower music.
Lower music?
It ain't doing exactly what I want to. I found another box.
Okay. The box is a big important factor in it. Are you wanting to play lower than that, or is that about where you like it?
It's something I would like for it to build up more pressure though on the lower end.
Yeah. Okay. Probably need a bigger box.
Yeah, bigger box.
You're gonna want a bigger box and probably a little bit more port area with the big box.
I need more power too. You know, those amps is rated 3,000 watt power max. That's only 4,500 and a half ohm. And it's not turned up at all. It's not even a halfway.
Do you have a high output alternator?
No.
See, if you upgrade the alternator too will help.
Yeah.
So alternator, big 3, bigger box, and maybe power after all of that. I would do the box first. It's cheaper.
I got bigger amps. I got a whole other build I work on. Well, this one here was just something.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm working on a bigger build.
Okay.
But this one here, I just want to get it to play. Once I get to play in the range I want to play in, build that cabin pressure on the lower end.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty satisfied with it. Short daily.
Yes, sir. Daily driver bass build.
Yeah,
all right. Yeah, man. All right, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
best that I don't waste time. On the mic with the dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump. It's 205. These the lyrics to make you shake your hand, take a chance. Come on and dance, guys. Grab a girl, don't wait, make the world. It's your world and I'm ready to twirl. Trying to get enough, move your butt. Move the dance floor, but know what's up. Hands in the air, everybody over here, everybody over there. The crowd is live and I'm feeling this. Party peaceful in the house. Girl, I'm just about to go. I don't love you hoes, I'm out to sell. And now we're going down the street. Lay back. With my mind on my money and my money and my money. Rolling down the street.
Nice, man. I appreciate the little demo, man. Definitely does like probably mid to high 20 hertz range pretty well.
Yeah.
Sounds good. And are you wanting to play lower than that, or is that about where you like it?
It's something I would like for it to build up more pressure though on the lower end.
Yeah. Okay. Probably need a bigger box.
Yeah, bigger box.
You're gonna want a bigger box and probably a little bit more port area with the big box.
I need more power too. You know, those amps is rated 3,000 watt power max. That's only 4,500 to have on.
Yes, sir. Daily driver bass builder.
Yeah,
All right. Yeah, man. You have a good day.
All right, man.
Hey, thanks for watching.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Yes, sir.